This uterus shows the typical gross appearances of adenomyosis. Adenomyosis is a very common condition affecting around 15 to 20% of uteri. It causes a tumour-like uterine enlargement, and it is often an incidental finding, and it is benign. The usual presentation of adenomyosis is abnormal menstrual bleeding, and dysmenorrhea may occur. That is where menstruation is painful and there may be abdominal cramps. The definition of adenomyosis is where there is endometrial tissue within the myometrium at least 2.5 millimeters beneath the endomyometrial junction, and that roughly equates to a times 100 microscopic field, that is a times 10 objective and a times 10 eyepiece combined. Sometimes adenomyosis may cause a discrete fibroid-like mass composed of endometrial glands, stroma and myometrium, and this is called an adenomyoma. Grossly, in adenomyosis, the myometrium is diffusely thickened and trabeculated, and there are small cysts that are sometimes blood-filled. Here is a uterus showing the typical features of adenomyosis. The uterus is enlarged and the myometrium is trabeculated and thickened. But it is on histological examination of the uterus that adenomyosis is usually diagnosed. Here you see endometrial glands deep within the myometrium. There are usually glands and stroma together, and the glands may be functional or inactive, and the myometrium is hyperplastic. In postmenopausal uteri, stroma may be present without glands, and there may be no uterine enlargement. Here is the endometrium, and as we zoom out, you can see endometrial glands and stroma deep in the myometrium. And on a higher power you can see that the endometrial glands and stroma are normal.